Hey Panthers, real quick tutorial here on how to insert a link and make it clickable inside of Google Sheets. So let's say that I want the link to this document. Let's say that this is my essay or something. I'm going to go ahead and click on share like I did right here. And then you're going to click get shareable link. I've already done that, and you can change this to anyone with the link can edit, anyone can comment, anyone can view, and you're going to copy that link. All right. Then you're going to go and let's say that maybe this is my trial thesis statement. I'm going to delete the things that are in there, and I'm going to paste. And it already went ahead and hyperlinked it. If it didn't do that, then you can go ahead and go up to insert and then insert link. So let's say, let's take this back a couple steps. Let's say that instead you did, you wrote thesis statement. Then what you could do is you could highlight that and you could go insert link, and then you just paste the link here, and then it'll make it so that whoever looks at this, they can click and it'll open up that link. All right, so hopefully that was helpful, and have a good one.